Last time, bring him today, sagot ko lang, sir, bigyan mo ko aeroplano. O, di ayos.
And then the rest, you planned everything.
Pero matagal na yun eh. Ang plano na yan, matagal na yan. Hindi yan spur of the moment eh. Matagal na yan. And, nagkataon lang na talagang yun, the opportunity arose na paglabas ng warrant, tama-tama naman na sa Hong Kong siya. Pagdating ko, actually, may mga plano na hindi ko malaman kung kailan sila nagsimula noon. Pero, you know, nung ibinigay sa akin ng mission, I really told them that let me succeed and fail on my plans. Kung succeed ako, di on my plans. Pag mag-fail ako, on my plans also. Para wala naman ako sisising iba.
So, kumbaga,
Ganyo, ituloy ko rin to kay General Torre. Sir, pakinggan nyo yung question ko kay Ambassador kasi baka may link to sa isang tanong ko sa inyo. Ambassador, if you go one by one sa questions, it seems to me the ICC wants to make sure na nasunod yung due process at saka human rights ng akusado at ng inaresto. In your view, meron po bang violation ng batas sa pag-arrest or pag-detain ni former President Duterte?
Wala po.
So wala?
Opo.
So wala. And you know our law, so walang violation?
Opo.
Okay. How about you, General Torre? May violation ho ba sa arrest or detention ni former President Duterte?
No, sir.
No, wala. Categorical, wala tayong violate na law.
No, sir.
Okay. Can I read to you Republic Act 7438, an act defining certain rights of person arrested and detained under custodial investigation, as well as the duties of the arresting, detaining, and investigating officer and providing penalties for violation thereof. Section F, any person arrested or detained, arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation shall be allowed visits by or conference with any member of the immediate family or any medical doctor or priest, minister chosen by him or by any member of his immediate family or by his counsel. I saw the video, sir. President Duterte was asking for his own doctors. Ang sabi nyo, hindi, may dala kayong doctor na colonel. Tama po ba?
That's one part, sir.
Yes, so you did not allow him to bring in his own doctor.
There's another video that will show that he has his doctors from the Cardinal Santos.
Yes, and he was saying kulang yon kasi ano pa sila, di ba? Yung iba pang doctors, pero hindi na pinayagan. There's videos from outside, yung ibang gamit, etc. Correct, sir? So, you can answer. Hindi to yes or no. So, to your point, did you allow all of his doctors in or no?
Sir, we have substantial